Good afternoon, kindergarten. Today we are going to learn about rhyming words. Your learning target for today is to be able to recognize rhyming words and group them together. Words that rhyme have the same ending sounds. So while I read you this poem, I want you to listen carefully and see if you can hear words that sound the same. The frog. I saw a little frog. He was cuter than can be. He was sitting on a log, and I'm sure he croaked at me. Did you hear any words that sounded the same? Do you think there are any rhyming words in this poem? How about frog and log? Those words do rhyme because they have the same ending sounds of og. He and me also rhyme because they have the same ending sound of e. As I stated earlier, rhyming words have the same ending sounds. Their beginning sounds can be different. In this first column, we have the words pat, cat, and hat. And though their beginning words are different, their ending sounds are the same, with the ending sound being at. Pat, cat, and hat. In the second column, we have the words ring, thing, and wing. What makes these words rhyme? The ending sound of ing in ring, thing, and wing is what makes this group of words rhyme. Our last column of words are log, dog, and fog. Their ending sound is og. Log, dog, and fog. And that's why they rhyme, because they have the ending sound of og. Please watch this video. The song provides more examples of rhyming words, and then when you are done, you can come back to this lesson and we will continue.
Learning how to read now. Check it out. I know you wanna know how to read things. She thinks that you wanna see. I show you how to read. Sing it, honey. Sing it, honey. Let's rhyme first and then the AT.
Okay, now that you have watched the video and you are more familiar with rhyming words, let's practice matching rhyming words. In this set of words we have mat, lake, rock, sock, rat, and cake. The ending sounds are at, ate, and awk. Let's look at our first word, mat. Does mat sound like sock, rat, or cake? Mat rhymes with rat, and they have the same ending sound of at. Our second word is lake. Does lake sound like sock, rat, or cake? Lake rhymes with cake, and they have the same ending sound of ache. Finally, our last word is rock. Does rock sound like sock, rat, or cake? Rock rhymes with sock, and they have the same ending sound of awk. Let's try another one. This group of words is fox, top, jar, car, box, and cop. The ending sounds for these words are ox, op, and r. Let's look at our first word. Does fox sound like car, box, or cop? Fox rhymes with box. They have the same ending sound of ox. Our second word is top. Does top sound like car, box, or cop? Top rhymes with cop, and they have the same ending sound of op. Our last word is jar. Does jar sound like car, box, or cop? Jar rhymes with car, and they have the same ending sound of r. Now that you are more familiar with grouping rhyming words together, let's play another matching game. In this game, we have the option of words of hat, bed, tree, boat, pig, red, bee, bat, goat, and wig. Our first word that we want to rhyme with is goat. Does goat sound like hat, bed, tree, boat, or pig? Goat rhymes with boat, and they have the same ending sound of oat. Our next word is bed. Does bed rhyme with red, bee, bat, or wig? Let's try bat. Does bat and bed sound the same? They do not. Though they have the same beginning sounds of b, they do not have the same ending sounds of ed. Does bed sound like red, bee, bat, or wig? Bed and red rhyme. They have the same ending sound of ed. Our next word is pig. Does pig sound like bee, bat, or wig? Pig rhymes with wig. They have the same ending sound of egg. Let's try bee. Does bee sound like hat or tree? Tree and bee rhyme with the same ending sound of e. Our last words are hat and bat. Hat and bat rhyme because they have the same ending sound of at. Our final activity is to do some rhyming recall. Rhyming words have the same ending sounds, but they don't have to have the same beginning sounds. Let's look at these words. Do rat and cat rhyme? Yes, rat and cat have the same ending sounds of cat. Our next group is ring and thing. Do these two rhyme? Yes, ring and thing rhyme. They have the endings of ing, which makes the ending sound of ing. Ring and thing. Our third option is ball and call. Ball and call also rhyme. They have the ending sound of all. What about brown and blue? Do they rhyme? No. Brown has the ending sound of own, while blue has the ending sound of oo. Brown and blue do not rhyme because they do not have the same ending sounds, though they have the same beginning sounds. How about book and boat? Do they have the same ending sounds? No. Book and boat do not rhyme. Book's ending sound is ook, while boat's ending sound is oat. Our last one is fun and run. Fun and run rhyme because they have the ending sound of un. Remember, rhyming words have the same ending sounds, but their beginning sounds may not always be the same. For tomorrow, I want you to think about more words that rhyme, and we will go over them in class. Thank you for watching.